Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an important question. Is Mr. Cool a good brand? And more specifically, are Mr. Cool mini splits worth your investment? If you're considering this system for your home's heating and cooling needs, stick around as we break down its features, benefits, and potential drawbacks to help you decide. Before we dive into the video, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and leave a comment below. About the Mr. Cool brand. Mr. Cool is a well-known name in the HVAC industry, especially popular for its innovative DIY-friendly mini split systems. Their mission is to make heating and cooling accessible for homeowners without the need for expensive professional installation. With cutting-edge designs and a focus on user convenience, Mr. Cool has carved out a niche in the market. Key highlights of Mr. Cool as a brand. 1-point DIY-focused products. They're one of the few brands that offer pre-charged line sets, making installation simple and achievable for most homeowners. 2. Wide range of options. From single-zone mini splits to multi-zone systems, Mr. Cool provides solutions for small rooms to large homes. 3. Energy efficiency. Many of their systems come with high SEER ratings, ensuring cost savings and eco-friendly performance. 4. Smart features. Integration with smart home devices like Amazon Alexa and Google Home adds to the convenience. Are Mr. Cool mini splits good? Let's dive into the specifics of Mr. Cool mini splits and evaluate whether they live up to the hype. Pros of Mr. Cool mini splits. First, DIY installation. Perhaps the biggest selling point is the DIY setup. Pre-charged line sets eliminate the need for handling refrigerants, saving you money on professional installation. The installation guide is straightforward, and the process is accessible even for those with minimal DIY experience. 2. Energy efficiency. Many Mr. Cool mini splits boast high SEER ratings, which translates to lower energy bills and reduced environmental impact. They also use eco-friendly refrigerants, making them a sustainable choice. 3. Quiet operation. Mr. Cool mini splits operate at low noise levels, making them ideal for bedrooms, offices, and other quiet spaces. 4. Smart technology. Most units are compatible with Wi-Fi and smart home systems, allowing you to control the temperature from your smartphone or through voice commands. 5. Versatility. Available in various sizes and configurations, these systems can cool or heat single rooms or entire homes. Their sleek and modern design blends seamlessly with most interior decors. 6. Affordability. Compared to other brands offering similar features, Mr. Cool mini splits are competitively priced, making them a budget-friendly option for many homeowners. Cons of Mr. Cool mini splits. 1. DIY isn't for everyone. While marketed as DIY-friendly, some homeowners may find the installation process challenging, especially when it comes to drilling holes or connecting electrical wiring. 2. Initial cost. Although competitively priced, the upfront cost might still be a bit high for budget-conscious buyers. However, the savings on installation and energy bills can offset this over time. 3. Support limitations. Some users have noted that warranty claims and customer service can be slower than expected. Ensuring proper installation and registration is crucial to avoid issues. 4. Not ideal for large areas without multiple units. For large homes, you may need multiple units or a multi-zone system, which can increase costs. Subscribe, leave a comment, and smash the like bar. Comparing Mr. Cool to other brands. How does Mr. Cool stack up against competitors like Mitsubishi, Daikin, or LG? 1-point DIY advantage. Mr. Cool is one of the few brands focusing heavily on DIY installation. Other brands generally require professional installation, adding to the overall cost. 2. Cost. Mr. Cool systems are more affordable upfront compared to high-end brands like Mitsubishi, though those brands might offer slightly more robust build quality. 3. Features. While brands like Mitsubishi excel in advanced technology and performance, Mr. Cool competes well in energy efficiency, smart technology, and noise levels. Who should buy Mr. Cool mini splits? Mr. Cool mini splits are an excellent choice for homeowners looking for a DIY-friendly HVAC solution, those who want to save on installation costs. People are prioritizing energy efficiency and smart technology, budget-conscious buyers who still want a reliable, modern mini split system. If you're not comfortable with do-it-yourself installation or need advanced heating, ventilation, and air conditioning features, other brands may be a better fit. Customer reviews and feedback. Many customers praise Mr. Cool mini splits for their 1. Ease of installation. 2. Quiet operation. 3. Noticeable reduction in energy bills. Common concerns include minor challenges with installation for beginners and occasional delays with warranty claims. So, is Mr. Cool a good brand? Absolutely. Their mini splits offer excellent value for money, DIY convenience, and modern features that make them a popular choice among homeowners. While they might not be perfect for everyone, they're a fantastic option for most residential needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Have you tried a Mr. Cool mini split? Let us know your experience. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Stay cool and comfortable, and we'll see you in the next video.